How to fix Play Store not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, clear cache and clear data. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search Play Store, click on Play Store, scroll down, click on storage. Here you will see two options, clear cache, clear data. And if you want to clear data, then click on clear data. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache or clear data, Play Store clear cache or clear data from your phone. Now go back. After that, check net. Now open settings, scroll down, click on connections, check Wi-Fi, turn on or turn off. Now go back, scroll down, click on mobile network mode, click on 5G preferred. Now go back, click on data usage. Here you will see mobile data. Now turn off mobile data and turn on mobile data. Now go back. After that, restart phone. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart your phone. This is how you can fix Play Store not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.